Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your network with Fortinet detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current network infrastructure. Identify potential vulnerabilities within your network. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Fortinet FortiGate firewall. Access the FortiGate management interface using a web browser. Log in with your administrator credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to review your network status. Configure the firewall policies to allow only necessary traffic. Set up custom service objects for specific applications you want to manage. Create and apply security profiles, including antivirus, web filtering, and intrusion prevention. Enable the FortiGuard services for real-time threat intelligence. Implement virtual private networks, or VPN, for secure remote access. Review and configure user authentication methods for added security. Regularly update the firmware of your FortiGate appliance. Set up logging and reporting features to monitor network activity. Analyze the logs to identify any unusual patterns or security threats. Conduct regular security audits to assess the effectiveness of your configuration. Train your staff on security best practices and the importance of network protection. Establish a response plan for potential security incidents. Continuously monitor the network for any emerging threats. Using these steps, you can effectively protect your network with Fortinet solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.